In today's how-to video, we'll explain which subtitle languages are best to add so you can broaden your reach, get more likes and subscribers. The world is a big language pool. So let's dive into a bigger market. If you've got a video in English made for English speakers, like this one, should you bother adding subtitles in other languages? Spoiler alert, yes. Today, I'm breaking down the best subtitle languages to add to your English video to skyrocket your reach, likes, and subscriptions. Stick around, hit that like button if you're ready to grow, and let's dive in.
Now that you have your full attention.
First, why subtitles? Well, YouTube's algorithm loves when your video reaches more people. Subtitles make your content accessible to non-English speakers, deaf or hard-of-hearing viewers, and even folks watching without sound, like me on the bus. For an English video aimed at English speakers, you're already covered with auto-generated English subs, though I'd tweak those for accuracy. But adding translations? That's where the magic happens. More languages equals more viewers equals more likes and subs. So, which languages should you pick? Let's get strategic. Here are my top recommendations for subtitle languages to add to your English video, based on global reach, YouTube's audience, and growth potential. 1. Spanish. Why? Spanish has over 500 million speakers worldwide, and it's huge in the US, Latin America, and Spain. Tons of YouTube viewers toggle to Spanish subs, think travel vlogs, tutorials, anything universal. Bonus, it's a gateway to viral potential in places like Mexico or Argentina. 2. Hindi. Why? India's YouTube audience is exploding, over 450 million users. Hindi's got 600 million plus speakers, and English content with Hindi subs can attract this massive, engaged crowd. Pro tip, pair it with trending topics like tech or lifestyle for max impact. 3. French. Why? French reaches 300 million speakers across Europe, Africa, and Canada. It's perfect if your video's got a classy or creative vibe, think fashion, food, or travel. Bonus, French viewers love sharing polished content. 4. Arabic. Why? With 400 million speakers and a growing Middle Eastern audience on YouTube, Arabic subs can tap into an underserved market. Lifestyle, gaming, or luxury content. They'll eat it up. Fun fact, right-to-left text might need extra formatting. 5. Mandarin Chinese. Why? China's YouTube access is limited, but Mandarin speakers in Southeast Asia, Taiwan, and diaspora communities worldwide, over 1 billion people, still watch. Big effort, big reward. Tip, keep translation simple for broader appeal. 6. Portuguese. Why? Brazil's YouTube scene is massive, 130 million plus users, and Portuguese subs can hook South American viewers fast. Plus, it's a vibe for upbeat, shareable content. Not every language fits every video. If your content's niche, like gaming, Arabic or Hindi might crush it. Travel or luxury. Spanish, French, or Portuguese could be gold. Check your YouTube analytics under audience to see where your viewers are from, then double down on those languages. Can't decide? Start with Spanish, it's the safest bet for global reach. Oh, and pro tip, use YouTube's built-in translation tools or hire a freelancer on Fiverr to nail the subs. Here's the kicker, subtitles don't just grow your audience, they boost engagement. When viewers see their language, they're more likely to like, comment, and share. Add a CTA in your video, like, turn on Spanish subs and tell us your favorite part below, to spark interaction. Pin a comment saying, subtitles available in, which one do you want next? Boom, instant feedback and loyalty. And don't forget to ask for that subscribe. So, there you have it, the best subtitle languages for your English video: Spanish, Hindi, French, Arabic, Mandarin, and Portuguese. Add these, watch your reach explode, and let's get those likes and subs rolling. Smash that like if this helped, share it with your creator friends, and subscribe for more growth hacks. See you in the next one.
Mind Journey